Okay, this is the 20 by 120 POLAMCO WAFUM lathe, model TUR50. It's serial number 39543. It's new in 1978. It has inch and metric threading. The feeds are an inch. 18 to 1800 RPM. There are your weighs. They're hardened and ground. It's a 4-jaw chuck. Roller type steady rest. You have a taper turning attachment. You have the smaller steady rest. You have rapid traverse on the longitudinal and cross. This is your coolant pan. And Angel's going to run it for you.
You're going to start from the low speed?
Okay, we're going to start with the low speed. He's running it in low speed right now. 2-speed motor, he just showed you the higher speed within the same speed. Lower speed again. Reverse. It's going to change the speed. That's a higher speed. It's going to show the feeds and stuff. That's a longitudinal feed. Cross feed. Reversed it from the carriage. Rapid traverse. Rapid traverse. Again, they're hardened and ground bed weighs, and you can see that there is no scoring on these weighs. He just engaged the half nut, now he's threading. So you saw it feed and rapid. You saw it thread. You saw some different speeds. Right now, how fast are we going? We're in the high speed range.
We have the high and the low speed.
And the low
will be
280. And that is 560. By the way, it's a cam lock spindle as well. Okay, a couple more speeds and I think we're done. When you change it to speed, it's also kind of unique. He has to then, moves the lever, brings it back, and now it's a different speed. That's 900 RPM. Right, 900? Show the 56. So you just have to bring it in a low gear. That's 56. So you saw a bunch of different speeds. You saw it feed, you saw it thread, you saw it rapid. You've seen the steady rest, the 4-jaw chuck, the taper attachment, the tailstock. Oh, you want to move the quill out of the tailstock? That's the quill of the tailstock. It's graduated in inches and in metric. The top is the inch, the bottom is the metric. And that is about it. Thanks for watching the video.